The unique thing about this museum is also you see many of the statues. In other words, when Paul walked down the street, shared the gospel, and early believers, early churches, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 6th, 7th century, they had tons and tons of statues. Everybody would see these things. Larger than life, different ones, different gods, different places, international places since it was a harbor, and different false ideas. What he writes about hair designs, you can see them in the statues of the women. You say take off the old clothes, put on the new. You can see these things. You can see the imagery of angels, and horses from nearby, especially when John wrote the book of Revelation. You saw statues and temples like this honoring the bull. And the royalty and the strength of the Caesars and the gods. And what the chariots looked like. And even possibly with the different citizens, what they wore, different sacrifices they gave to false gods or to the Caesar. Even women depicted having a better, larger status than normal. It looks like Romulus. Different imagery from Rome and different places. In these imageries here you have, I think it's Hadrian, who adopts the son to be his next ruler. He dies a few years later. You have the ritual for the adoption and for this momentous moment to make him the future ruler. And I think also you have here his wife who passed away around that time. So this is actually a time a little bit after Paul. A fallen emperor who has been defeated, in the defeat, the warfare, and someone being defeated down below. A constant reminder of the victory or the loss, the power, sovereignty, who is Lord. And obviously you have to give your sacrifices and honor the gods. This is the Ephesus that Paul preached the gospel to. Even here on this gift to the theater, Diana is honored. You can see the word there, Ephesus is mentioned there. And this guy who gave the gifts, a donation, which this altar, this image was outside the theater. In this section you actually have the parts of the theater where Paul preached, where the riot took place, things that he would have seen, been part of, and the beauty that was part of this location, that big theater in front of the harbor. Even down here, you see a seat, it's a person of honor, and they would sit there. They had the power of the wings of the gods, and the imagery there tells a story also.